Welcome to week 24 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. Consider this a preview of motherhood. Both baby and you are well. Your 24-week baby is working on getting ready to survive in the outside world. You, on the other hand, are probably experiencing some of the late pregnancy discomforts at 24 weeks, such as leg cramps, backaches, and swollen feet. Your baby's development at week 24. At 24 weeks, the baby is size of a cantaloupe. Your 11.8-inch fetus now weighs around 1.3 pounds. Your baby is doing great in this week of pregnancy. Even though your baby's eyes are still shut, all the parts of his eyes are present. The iris does not have any pigmentation yet. The color will fill in over the next few months. The final shade won't be settled until after he is born. Your baby's brain is developing rapidly and his lungs are now fully formed but not working yet. By 24 weeks of pregnancy, your baby's movements might be keeping you up at the night. In fact, he will be most active between 24 and 28 weeks. Later on, there won't be enough room for him to perform the flips and dives he spent weeks perfecting. This week, your baby has skin that is so thin it would be possible to see the blood vessels, bones and organs beneath it. In fact, the skin would seem pink to red because of the visible blood in the capillaries. Don't worry though, his skin will continue to thicken until the pregnancy is full term, when it will be as opaque as yours. The sonograph this week shows that your baby's heart beats around 120 to 150 beats per minute. Your common symptoms this week. Some of the symptoms which you may experience during this week might include: Number 1. Edema. During pregnancy, edema occurs when body fluids increase to nurture both you and your baby and accumulate in your tissues as a result of increasing blood flow and pressure of your growing uterus on the pelvic veins and your vena cava. This causes you to experience necessary increase and annoying swelling also, particularly swollen ankles and feet. Number 2. Blurred vision. Many women discover that their vision seems blurred or at least less sharp than it usually is during pregnancy. Pregnancy changes every aspect of your body, sometimes uncomfortably, so it's no surprise that your vision may also be affected too. Depending upon the reasons, your eyes may be blurred, scratchy or subject to infection at any time while you are expecting. There are several reasons for this pregnancy symptom, including reduced tear production, eye pressure, lowered immunity, poorer peripheral vision and colored eyelids. Number 3. Round ligament pains. Your uterus is supported by thick bands of ligaments that run from the groin up the side of the abdomen. As your uterus grows, the supporting ligaments stretch and thin out to accommodate the increasing weight, which pulls on the ligaments and causes sharp pains and dull aches in the lower abdomen. Number 4. Linea nigra. The dark line on the pregnancy belly is the linea nigra, sometimes called the pregnancy line. About 80% of the pregnant women will see this linea nigra form during pregnancy, usually after the first trimester. This line is probably caused by the hormones in your body that change during the pregnancy, although the exact cause of it is unknown. The placenta may release a hormone that stimulates melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin to pigment your skin. Some women are disturbed by how pregnancy line looks. However, this line is not at all harmful and there is not really anything that you can do to make it go away. This line will fade after you give birth. So here are some self-care tips during this week. Some of the self-care tips which you should follow during this week might include: Number 1. Avoid edema. To avoid edema and swelling in the feet, you should avoid long periods of standing or sitting, kick up your feet, sleep on your side, avoid too tight elastic top socks or stockings, wear comfy shoes, try support hose, drink lots of water. Number 2. Preventing blurred vision. Here are some tips on how to cope with pregnancy related blurry vision. Use pregnancy safe eye drops, give your eyes a rest, don't shell out for a new prescription, do not overreact. While you cannot prevent the vision changes, you can be prepared with an lubricating eye drops and a few pair of glasses. Luckily, the changes you notice are temporary and your vision should go back to normal after delivery. Number 3. Preventing round ligament pain. You can take a few steps to reduce round ligament pain, such as kick up your feet if you have swollen feet and ankles, wear a belly band or belly belt below up your bump to ease the pain, avoid sudden movements that cause the pain in the first place, decrease the intensity of your workouts if the pain really bothers you when you are exercising. So in the nutshell, here is your week 24 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Continue drinking about 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. Continue doing your Kegel exercises daily. Add papaya, pineapple, kiwi, apples, yogurt and warm milk to your diet if you are experiencing heartburn. Research the possibility of a postpartum douula. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel The Voice of Women and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.